Hi, in this video I'll show you how the learner interface is structured, which sections are available, and what opportunities they open for your training. The course page is the main section you'll interact with most often. To open the profile menu, click on your avatar icon on the right top corner. In the menu that appears, you will find the following sections. Courses page navigates to the catalog containing all your available training content. Profile page displays your overall learning progress. Here you can track courses in progress, completed programs, awards such as certificates and badges, and learning paths. Results allows you to review detailed results of completed tests and exams, including attempts, question count, score, and status. Profile settings lets you edit your name, time zone, or profile picture, connect social accounts for one-click login, and manage notifications or security settings. My Awards, a space featuring all your earned certificates and badges. Here you can view, download, or share them in the social media. Calendar displays all upcoming online and offline events. Night mode toggles the Academy theme for comfortable viewing. Bookmarks allow you to save specific spots in a lesson and return to them easily. And then log out for safely signing out of your account. Additionally, next to your profile icon, you can see checklist icon. Clicking on it opens a panel with task list where you can check all completed tasks. Please note, many features, sections, and tools are configured by your administrator, so some of them may not be available in your academy. Hope it helps, and good luck with your academy.